What's up, YouTube? Here I am back with another video. Today we are going to go to the machine shop to get my engine worked on for my van. So this is the machine shop. And
where they're going to be working on it.
This is where they're going to be working on my engine. Hey guys, so it's about 3 weeks later, and we're ready to go back to the machine shop. So let's get going. So what did you do to it?
I heard that it was a little.
Oh, bad. It was real bad. Yeah, we didn't think we were gonna get it straight, honestly.
Yeah. No, that's the 240 head.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's the 240 head.
It'll fit the 300 bucks.
Yeah, it's the same.
So the motor mount there is the same.
Yeah. What did you do to the crank? You don't know what you did?
No, I didn't do it.
You didn't do it.
No, Dave does the crank. Yeah, we turned it 10-10.
10-10. That's
Yeah,
pretty good.
board the block.
I put the brass grease plates on the block.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, board the block 30.
Of course, you probably can't see that underneath that doghouse. When you lift that lid, all you can see is the top of the valve cover, just about.
Yeah, but you'll know it's there.
I didn't know it. I'm amazed at the 300.
Yeah. Yeah, 240 and 300 is the same block, basically. It's the same thing.
Okay.
The 240's just got a shorter stroke, longer rod.
Good motor now. You want to put it together?
I was surprised that that block cleaned up with just a 30,000 so before. It was pretty rough. Yeah. There was one cylinder that looked pretty bad.
What year's the motor?
It's like out of 91 pickup or something like that. Are you pleased?
Yeah.
Can't wait to see it run.
Well, she'll have it around, I'm sure.
How old is she?
15.
So she's got getting her driver's license.
Yeah, pretty soon.
Oh, Lord.
Pretty soon. She says she's not going to rush it.
No.
My daughter was 18 when she got her license.
She's got to judge a car show up at Sam's.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In October, what they say, October 13th?
12.
13th? It's on Saturday.
13.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We're doing a car
13.
show up there.
So that'll be the next
They're
car
a
video.
Children's Miracle Network sponsor. And they wanted one of the patients. She's been a lot of time in town.
That's cool.
And
I
she's
do
gonna-
car shows.
Yeah, she's going to judge a car show up there.
I do car shows. I do. She'll like that.
She said you got to help.
Yeah, I had my wife judge the last one. She had some people that kind of wanted to be kind of mean to her.
Oh, yeah.
First of all, they say, what's a woman doing judging a car show? My wife is, I restore cars. So my wife watches everything I do, and she knows more than half the people that's fussing.
Yeah.
I said, well, I guarantee she knows more than you do. So don't be fussing. Just because she's a woman don't mean nothing.
No.
Right. Exactly.
Right there. That was a good clip right there.
That was good. Thank you.
I told him, I said, don't mean nothing. Don't let them get to you, because they kept getting to her. So don't let them get to you.
Okay, so that was the trip to the machine shop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.